Hello. Today we are removing front seats from Mercedes CLK. So in case your seats are leather and it's very cracked, or you just want to repair them, or like this, they are extremely dirty, you want to do deep clean on your own, then easiest way to do is if you remove the seats completely. And this is what I want to show you. It's very easy. You have 4 bolts, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and some electrical connections. In order to undo the bolts, you need E12 reverse Torx key. So it looks something like this. It's very cheap, you can find it almost everywhere. And some extender. So let's now try to remove it, but you would need to put it a bit under a bit of angle in order to fully access the bolt, and then just undo it. This is how bolt looks like. After we remove front 2, we need to move the seat completely forward in order to access the rear bolts. In order to remove electrical connection to the seat itself, we will tip it over, and depending if your seats have electric motors in it, you will have more connections, but in this case they are manual and we have only one. Let's disconnect the battery, open the trunk. Let's remove this completely, because under this liner battery is hiding here. For easier access. And yes, this is extremely dirty. Comment out if you want me to clean this in next video. In order to disconnect, you would need 13 millimeters, but potentially you would need 2, because just if this bolt gets spinning around, so you need one to grab on this side and second to actually undo this. Let's try with one and see how it goes. Okay, good so far. Okay, just wiggle it out. Yep, only one cable. Pull it out, and now you have full access to the seat. After connections are removed, we can remove the seat. It could be very heavy, depending if you have motors, then even more, so take your time. Looks like we found the treasure. Tell me if you know from which country this comes from. And the same steps apply for driver's seat. I will show you that. You can repeat all the steps. Thanks for watching.